Welcome to our exploration of the Florence Cathedral, known as the Duomo di Firenze. This stunning cathedral is a masterpiece in the heart of Florence, Italy. Let's dive into some special and lesser-known facts about Florence Cathedral. Construction began in 1296 under architect Arnolfo di Cambio and took over 140 years to complete, finishing in 1436. The Duomo was the largest church in the world at that time, holding about 30,000 people. Its famous dome, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, was revolutionary, spanning 45 meters without wooden support. Many admire its beauty, but few know Duomo's exterior is covered in colorful green, pink, and white marble. Today's facade was completed only in the 19th century, long after the main structure was finished. Visitors can climb 463 steps to reach the top of the dome for breathtaking views of Florence. The Duomo symbolizes Florence's rich history and artistic heritage. It includes the beautiful baptistery and Giotto's campanile, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Inside, you'll find stunning stained glass windows and remarkable frescoes. The Florence Cathedral is a testament to human creativity and architectural brilliance. Whether you're captivated by its history or design, visiting the Duomo is an unforgettable experience that connects you to centuries of culture in Florence. Join us next time as we uncover more incredible places and stories from around the world. Until then, keep wondering and stay curious.